Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy location link in Google Maps. I'll show you how to do this on mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on PC. On mobile, you want to open Google Maps. Once open, you can go ahead and search for the location. And once you're in the location area, tap on that location point. On the pop-up, you want to scroll till you find Share. Tap on Share, and you have several options to which you can share. You can go ahead and share using your preferred option. On some mobile versions, you will see an option to copy link. If you don't find the option, tap on your browser, and this will load the location on Google Maps on browser. Now scroll till you find Share, tap on Share, and you see copy link. Tap on copy link, and anyone you share the link with will be able to access the exact location on Google Maps. Now on PC, you want to open your browser. You can search for Google Maps and then click on the first option, which is Google Maps. Or on Chrome, you can click on the menu at the top right corner of your screen and you will see Maps. Click on Maps, and this will load Google Maps on your browser. You can go ahead and search for the exact location, and once in the location area, you want to click on the location point. You see a pop-up under. Click on Share, and you'll be able to copy the link. Now you can also click on the public known addresses around. When you click on it, the location pane will be dropped there and you see the address profile. Here you will see Share. Click on Share and you'll be able to copy the link. So thank you for watching this video on how to copy location link in Google Maps, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.